Up next is Freddie Gamble Jr. coming in right here out of Manning. He's on that boater side. He's got a 5 bass limit today.
Let's see your 2 best bass.
Got him. I seen him too. I don't know what it is. Garfish. I seen him out there. There's a fish on that tree, man. I just can't get him to bite that. Yep, there he is again. I knew, I seen him. I could see him, I saw him moving around on the tree. I can get him in, Tommy. You're too to win him first.
Really?
Get in the boat. Could be a winning fish. That right there could be $40,000. A little one. Yeah, I don't think he keeps though. I think he's short. Score tracker update. Freddie Gamble just caught his first fish. Huh? Oh, it's a bass. I don't know if it keeps or not, but it's a bass. Oh my God. Yeah, we can see him. My buddy was like, "What is that?" I said, "Oh, I heard about the tilapia down here." He said, "That's exactly what that was." You got a good look at it? Yeah, that's good in there too. They want us to back off of them. No. They want us to back off of them. The water's so clear over there, you can't get on them like that. Look out, I can see that fish. They want us to back off of them. There you go. Nice one. There you go. They want us to, can't sit up on them like that, it's too clear. Nice. Oh shit. So it almost went. It almost went. Alright, that's decent.
5.
Mm. I think about to get 3 something. 4. Chunk.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that would probably be the best route because it's just sitting. I was trying to pinpoint where I got the last bite. I caught one and missed one, and then I got this one. I think I got the right cast. Oh, there you came off. I think I got the right cast now. I think I know exactly where I need to be throwing it.